Take a ride in the 2016 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, navigation system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.